Hello and welcome back to a Friday tip. Today we're going to be talking about tips on cosmetic surgery recovery. So if you've had a liposuction, for example, liposuction 360, what I always recommend before you have that surgery is to get measurements. It is always important to get your measurements so that way you can always go back and see how much progress you've made. First, take pictures. Pictures are so good. So you want to take pictures pretty much from different angles so you can measure your progress or document your progress. So you want to take the frontal view. You want to take pictures from the sides. Also, you want to make sure you're taking measurements using a tape measure. Find a landmark. So usually your belly button will be the landmark for liposuction. Get that measurement for pre-surgery. And then it's important to get measurements every week after your surgery. So week 1, make sure you take your measurements first thing in the morning. And be consistent with the time of the day that you're taking your measurements. So one day don't take the measurements after breakfast and the other day you take your measurements before breakfast. So try to stay consistent and take your measurement in the morning before you eat. So what I always encourage people to do from week 3 to 6 is measure. Take your tape measure and measure using the same landmark and about the same time of the day. Another thing is if you had a tummy tuck. So if you had a tummy tuck and you used a landmark, let's say your belly button, of course with a tummy tuck, then the landmark would have changed after the surgery because now your belly button has been moved. What you'll do is just find another landmark. You can use the new belly button landmark as your starting point. After surgery, take the measurement. And then a week after surgery, take the measurements and just keep monitoring your progress that way. That will be the best way. In addition to you taking pictures, that would be the best way for you to document progress because I know a lot of people get discouraged and feel like, oh, what did I do? But just hang in there with your manual lymphatic drainage and your compression. You are making progress. It just takes time and you will be able to see progress. So keep working at it. Keep staying consistent with your compression and document your progress with a tape measure. And that will be all good. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And that's our tip for Friday. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.